Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the Synergia Group, consisting of myself, Najasa bin Yustin, and two of my colleagues, Shafa Alexander and Hudiana Madani. In this video, we will explain constitutional law, first by Hudia, followed by Shafa, and finally by myself. Okay, let's get straight to explanation of constitutional law.
Constitutional law definition. Constitutional law can be defined as a set legal regulation that stage of organization of the state. The relationship between state apparatus both vertically and horizontally, as well as the position of citizens and their basic right. Constitutional law according to expert. 1. Sultan. Constitutional law is the law that governs the organization of a state. It covers the position of organization between the states, their relationship, right and obligation, and their respective duties. This definition is weak because it does not include provision regarding human rights of citizens. 2. Van de Putte. Constitutional law is the regulations that determine the necessary duties and their respective authorities, their relationship with each other and their relationship with individuals. The weakness of the definition is it does not include provision regarding citizen. Next, analogy. Anatomical analogy of the human body. If the stage is the human body, if the human anatomy is the skeletal framework and organ structure. Anatomy determines the location of the heart, the center of power, how the lungs connect to the bloodstream, organizational coordination, and the structural function of each organ. Next, meaning of constitutional law. 1. Constitutional law is the law that regulates the organization of the unitary state of Republic of Indonesia. 2. As organizational law. Constitutional law is the law that regulates the state goals and how to achieve the goals of the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia.
Meaning of constitutional law. Constitutional law include written and unwritten. Written constitutional law consists of A. Legislation in the field of constitutional law, B. Decision in the field of constitutional law, C. Court decision in the field of constitutional law. Constitutional law, court decision, Supreme Court decisions, and court decision in the field of constitutional law. Unwritten constitutional law consists of A. Constitutional law, conventions, and B. Customary law. Next, object of study of constitutional law according to Ahmad Sukaraja. Number 1. Constitution or UUD. The constitution is the basic law of the state, which serves as the primary foundation for governing and regulations the basic rules of the state. Number 2. Basic principles of constitutional affairs. Constitutional principles serve guidelines for running and governing a state to ensure the government function according to its objective. Number 3. Structure and interpretation state institution. This section explains the structure of state institution, their working relationship, and the division of authority. Number 4, citizenship and the relationship between the state and citizens. Discuss the rights and obligations of citizens and the legal relationship between the state and the people. Next, functions of constitution law. Number 1, as the legal basis for the establishment of the organizational structure and working relations of the unitary state of the Republic Indonesia. And number 2, as the legal basis for the establishment of the Indonesian national legal system. Next, source of constitutional law. Number 1, material source of constitutional law. These are the factors that determine the content or substance of constitutional law, including 1, philosophy of life and state philosophy Pancasila, the supreme source that inspires all Indonesian constitutional law. Number 2, social factor, social, economic, culture, and geographical conditions that influence that regulation. Number 3, political power, the result of compromise or political struggle that produce legal norms. Next. Source of constitutional law. Number 2, formal source of constitutional law. These are the source where binding constitutional legal rules are found, including the 1945 Constitution, the highest written constitution in Indonesia. Number 2, statutory regulation. Degrees of the People Constitutive Assembly TAP MPR. Laws UU Government Regulation in lieu of law or Perpu Government Regulation PP. Prudential Regulation Purpose. Regulational Regulation Provincial Regency and City Regulation. Number 3, Constitutional Convention. Reputed constitutional practice that are unwritten and do not contradict written laws. Number 4, treaties, international agreement, agreement between states that affect the constitutional system. Number 5, jurisprudence, judicial decision of the Constitutional Court (MK) or the Supreme Court (MA) that serve as legal reference. Number 6, doctrine, opinions of prominent legal scholars that are recognized and used in formulating in the law.
Principles of constitutional law. The first one, the principle of Pancasila as the foundation of the state and the source of all sorts of law. All laws and regulation as well as government actions must not contradict the values of Pancasila. Next, there is the principle of the rule of law. Indonesia is a state based on law, not merely on power. Article 1, paragraph 3 of the Undang-Undang Dasar 1945, this means that every actions taken by the government must have a legal basis. The next, there is the principle of popular sovereign. The highest authority rests in the hands of the people and is exercised in accordance with the Constitution, Article 1, Paragraph 2 of the UUD 1945. Next, there is the principle of the unitary state. Indonesia is a unitary state in which the highest authority resides in the central government. However, it is implemented through the principles of decentralization and regional autonomy. Next, there is the principle of separation of powers and checks and balance. State power is divided into branches like executive, legislative, and judicial to prevent the concentration of authority with a system of mutual oversight among them. Next, there is the principle of the archipelagic state, recognition that Indonesia is an archipelagic state characterized by the Nusantara concept, with its maritime territory serving as a unifying element. Next, there is the enforcement of constitutional law is carried out by a state institution responsible for constitutional adjudication, namely the Constitutional Court. Its legal basis is Article 24C of the Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia 1945, Law Number 40H 2009 concerning judicial power, and Law Number 24 2003 concerning the Constitutional Court, as amended by Law Number H 2011 concerning amendments to the law on the Constitutional Court. Next, there is the development of Indonesia constitutional law begin with customary constitutional law. During the Dutch colonial period, the constitutional system in force was that of the Dutch East Indies, or constitutional law of the Dutch East Indies. When Japan occupied Indonesia, the applicable system was the constitutional law of the Japanese military administrations, or constitutional law during the Japanese occupation. After Indonesia proclaimed its independence of the 17th of August 1945, the constitutional law of Indonesia came into effect. This development includes several periods: the early independence period, the period of the 1945 Constitution, when the unitary state of the Republic Indonesia became one the stated within the Republic of the United States of Indonesia, the period of the Provisional Constitution of 1950, the Old Order era, the New Order era, and the Reform era. So, constitutional law is a branch of public law that regulates the organizations and structure of the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia, the distribution and limitation of powers, the relationships among state institutions, and the relationships between the state and its citizens. The views of scholars such as Colton and van der Pot emphasize that constitutional law focus on the structure and authority of state organs, although it does not fully encompass aspects of human rights and citizenships. The search of constitutional law consists of material search, or Pancasila, that the state ideology of Indonesia, social conditions, and political force, and formal source such as the 1945 Constitution, statutory regulations, constitutional conventions, jurisprudence, and legal doctrines. Constitutional law functions as the foundation for establishing the structure of state institution and the national legal system. Is enforced through the Constitutional Court and continues to develop in accordance with the historical dynamics of Indonesian's constitutional system for the customary era to the reform period. So, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.